How can I check if someone is using invisible mode on a messaging app?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very intriguing topic: how to check if someone is using invisible mode on a messaging app. We all know that privacy is a crucial aspect of online communication, and many messaging apps allow users to go invisible or offline while still being able to chat or view messages. This can sometimes leave you wondering if someone is really offline or just in invisible mode. Let's take a deeper dive into this.
What is invisible mode?
Invisible mode, also known as ghost mode or offline mode, is a feature in some messaging apps that allows users to appear offline to others while they are actually online. This feature provides privacy and helps manage online presence. However, it's important to note that detecting someone's invisible mode can be challenging, as it potentially intrudes on their privacy.
Can we really detect invisible mode?
The direct answer is, it's quite tricky and the methods might not always be reliable. Detecting if someone is in invisible mode can vary greatly depending on the messaging app being used. Some apps have more sophisticated privacy measures in place than others, making it nearly impossible to tell if a user is in invisible mode. It's crucial to respect others' privacy, so always consider this before trying to figure out their online status.
Indications someone might be using invisible mode.
Despite the difficulties, there are a few indications you can look for that may suggest someone is using invisible mode. 1. Delayed read receipts. If a person usually responds to your messages quickly but you suddenly notice a delay in their response or read receipts, they might be using invisible mode. They can read your messages but may choose to manually mark them as read later to maintain the appearance of being offline. 2. Active on other platforms. If the person is offline on the messaging app but active on other social media platforms, they could be in invisible mode. Remember, this is not a foolproof method as they could be using multiple devices. 3. Inconsistent online status. If the person's online status fluctuates frequently within short intervals, they might be toggling between invisible and visible modes. Please note that these are just possibilities and not definitive proof that someone is using invisible mode. In conclusion, checking if someone is using invisible mode on a messaging app can be complex, and it's crucial to respect others' privacy during this process. These indications we've discussed can only provide possible clues, and they are not a definitive or guaranteed way to check someone's invisible status. Remember, open and honest communication is usually the best approach if you're unsure about someone's online status. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide informative.